And now, when we call on the 18 candles, samahan niyo po sila on stage. Lahat ng nag-light up ng candles for our debutant, please, for one quick, pakidalawang candles for one quick pictorial. Let's go, ladies. Of course, kasama. Okay. Smile. And after this, get ready to sing the birthday song, huh? Smile! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Maiwan po ang members of the family, father, mommy, sisters, and kasama si Kuya Francis. Now, may we invite Elisha dito sa kanyang beautifully decorated cake. Ibablock tayo ng ating photographer. Everyone, tayo po tayong lahat. Ready? Are you ready to sing the birthday song? Parang, oh, wait lang, huwag muna. Kailangan may ganyan. Okay? Ate Joyce, please. Oh, sama na si baby para kompleto ang ayan. Alright, ready? DJ, are you ready? With your prayers, let's sing the birthday song for our debutant. Music. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And now, Elisha, silently, please make your wish. Lahat na wish mo na. Yes. And please join the prayer and the wish. And now, you may blow the lights of the candle. Yes! Palapakan po natin ang ating debutant. Wow! Thank you very much to the family. We hope and we pray and we know that all your prayers and wishes will come true for our debutant. Okay, pwede na pumupo ang lahat and we have come to your next favorite part, dinner time. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, ang rule natin, photo with the debutant per table, then we'll proceed to our buffet. Mauna na muli ang table number 1, please. After each table, picture lang with the debutant. Ibang pose naman to. Serious, more serious at Pamilya Saragosa pose. Ayan. Table number 2, kayo po ang kasunod. Ready na? After each table, after the pictorial, you may proceed to the buffet. Courtesy of Lazerna Catering. Ayan. Alright. Smile. Thank you so much. May we invite table number 2, please. After each pictorial, you may proceed to our buffet as we call on table number 4. The group over here, please. Kung saan nabibilang ang sexiest friend. Hindi talaga makalimutan ko. Ready na kayo, ladies? Next group, please. Table number 5. Pwesta na po kayo. Ready na? Dito na tayo, please. And of course, while we are having our dinner, meron din tayong mamayang live acoustic and song numbers. Okay, thank you, ladies. You can now proceed to our buffet as we go on our group from table number 5. Table number 7, please. Dito na po tayo. On this side. Bakit nila seryoso din, no? Let's go, ladies. Our friends from the AIL, right? Yes. Our blessed friends from the AIL. Kasama si Pastora, please. Ladies, pwede na kayo. Okay, smart. As we go on our next table.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, walking. 1, 2, 3, walking.
rice lang, walang ulam, ha? Sige, sumitin natin, sir, para damihan natin yung shots dito. Okay. Next group. May ganun talaga. Nag-moment. Ito. Nauna lang talaga siya dahil alam ko yan. Ready, Jason and company. Yeah. Enjoy now, guys. Hairstyle, ah.
Okay, walking. 1, 2, 3, walking.
Oh, isa pa daw. Two up.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright.
Sir Brennan, kailangan mo picture ba? Sir Brennan and our guitarist. Our acoustic singer.
Gusto ko sana lumapit, kundi lang sa ito ay isang panaginip lang. Sa iyong palasyo tayo sa
this time, kagaya nga ng nabanggit ko kanina, it's time to give out our gifts, to bring our gifts to our debutant. Unahin na po natin ang napili niya for the 18 blue bills. Na iabot nila at babati din sila, bibigyan sila ng kanilang regalo for our debutant. Simulan na po natin. Unahin natin si Ninang Presi Tunyakaw. Papakan natin.
Birthday! Nasabi ko na kanina, happy birthday ulit, Elisha. And God bless you more. God bless din sa financial aspect of your life. I know that God will give you ano man yung hinihiling mo, and lagi mong tatandaan yung sowing and reaping theory. Alam naman natin lahat yun na ang lahat-lahat galing pa rin sa Lord. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Tawagin naman natin another churchmate, the handsome and favorite guy singer, Mr. Christopher Mabilangan. Palakpakan natin si Sir Christopher. Baka mag-sample pa yan dahil church singer pala, sir.
Ayan, happy 18th birthday, Elisha. And ano ba? Hindi tayo masyadong close, pero alam mo naman na tinatry ko pa rin na di ba, kausapin ka. Kasi tahimik ka eh, tahimik yung family ko kasi nila medyo tahimik. And ayun, pagpatuloy mo lang yung naumpisahan mo, alam ko na matalino kang bata and mabait ka rin bata. Totoo ba? Tsaka sana dinamihan mo kami. So ayun lang, I pray na lagi kang samahan ni Lord in every decision na gagawin mo, and laging bigyan ka ni Lord ng health, good health, and wisdom sa lahat lalo na sa pag-aaral. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much, sir. As we call another churchmate, Miss Luchi. Palakpakan natin si Miss Luchi.
Happy birthday kahit maliw. Dito ko siya. Joke lang yun. God bless you.
Thank you, Miss Luchi. This time, let's call on a close family friend, Miss Alita. Palakpakan natin. Ayun, binulong lang ni Mami Alita.
Happy birthday, Elisha. At yung sa career mo, pag-pray mo lang lagi at matutupad mo rin naman yung pagiging doktor mo. At ganoon din sa family mo, thankful din dahil na nagawa nila itong ano na to para sa iyo.
Thank you so much, Sir Francis. Now let's call on the lovely sister-in-law, Miss Joyce Du. Ate Joyce, kasama pa ang pamangkin yata? Si Ate Joyce. Representing the family din yan, si Ate Joyce, di ba? Oo, marami ang kinuha talaga, oh.
Ayun, simulat ko na yung message namin sa ilang ng Kuya Jayad mo. Happy 18th birthday, Elisha. Continue to be a good, humble, sweet, and loving sister to your siblings and to your parents as well. May our God grant you your heart's desire and fulfill all your plans. We love you and we are so proud of you. Happy birthday again.
Thank you so much. Actually, doble daw po yan. Dahil kasama dyan yung kay Kuya J.J. Du, who inspired our debutant to take health-related course. Si Kuya J.J. Palakpakan po natin. And now let's call on a loving aunt na lagi nagbibigay ng advice for our debutant, Miss Salvacion Andigue. Palakpakan natin si Tita.
Happy birthday sa aking pamangkin. Salamat sa ganito na masaya ang kaarawan mo. Bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. Ipagpatuloy mo ang pag-aaral na maayos at bigyan ka ng malakas at malusog na katawan. At sa biyaya, pagpalain ka sa bawat oras.
Of course, the sister Dovi Du is not here, but the other lovely sister will represent her at siya ang dodoble sa ilalagay sa Bluebills. Palakpakan po natin.
Happy 18th birthday daw sa happy ni Dovi. Sabihin mo lang daw kung anong kailangan mo, papadala daw siya.
Thank you so much, Jobet. Of course, tiyatawagan po namin ang lahat ng nag-present ng Bluebills. In front, please. Kasi sina Miss Candy, si Tita Susan, at si Tita Tess, kasama si Doc Rai, at ang iba pa po na nasa abroad ay in advance na yung kanilang bibigay na Bluebill. So yung mga present lang dito muna. Makakapag-pictorial, please. Ma'am Prezi, Sir Christopher, Miss May, Ma'am Luchi, Kuya Francis, Miss Alita, Ate Joyce, of course, and Tita Salvacion. 18 treasures, please be ready with your gifts and treasures. Smile. Thank you so much. Palapakan po natin ang ating 18 Blue Bills. Now it's time to give treasures. Alam niyo, nung unang panahon, kapag bumibisita ka sa isang prinsesa, kailangan may dala kang mga regalo. Diba? Eh, isang prinsesa ang nasa unahan natin ngayon. Kaya kailangan bigyan natin siya ng regalo. Isa-isa na po natong tawagin ang magbibigay ng kanilang treasures. Let's call in Clodoaldo Cabutin. Sasabihin niya, hot siya. Diba? Si Chef. Kaya palapakan po natin yung classmate during the high school days.
Ito, good evening to everyone, to the parents of Elisha. Good evening po. I'm so glad to be part of this memorable event of her life. So, hi Elisha, happy birthday. You look great tonight. So, I'm so blessed to have you as my tropa, my friend. And I have here my simple gift to you. It is a necklace. I mean that to you to never forget about me, our friendship, and I'm hoping that every time you put on that necklace, you will remember me as your friend. So listen, Elisha. Now that in this new phase of your life, I reassure you that I will remain and forever be your friend. Happy birthday.
Oh, picture naman, sir. With our debutant. Ayan, si Chef. Now let's call on Miss Jonna Marie Del Piero. Wow! The Hello Kitty girl.
Hi, Devesta. Happy birthday. You look pretty tonight and every day. And ayan, first and foremost, happy birthday. And this is a simple gift that you will treasure. And simple like you, and being simple makes you more beautiful. And I hope you like it. Enjoy your day, and God bless you always. I love you.
Thank you so much, Jonah. Now let's call on Miss Daniela Bombeza, the valedictorian. She is also called Cupcake by our debutant.
Happy birthday, Cupcake. Oh, ganda mo. Ang hirap hanapan ng regalo. Siguro kasi nakilala kita as a very contented person. Masaya ka sa lahat ng meron ka. Yan. So, itong regalo ko, pinili ko siya kasi ang cute niya, ang ganda mo. Ayun. So, you are a very beautiful person inside and out. And I know that everyone around you are aware of that. Yan. So, kapag nami-miss mo ako, simutin mo lang to. Grabe ba?
Thank you so much, Daniela. Now let's call on Arif Abdullah. Arif can't make it, so let's call on churchmate, pretty and cute May Bautista. Skip Miss May and call JP Barrios Sobremonte. Wala pa rin si Jane. Wala pa rin siya. Sobrang traffic. How about Julius Garrido? Ayan. Macho-macho ang kulay ng gift ni sir. Tingnan natin kung ano yan.
I do, happy birthday. Ito, pinili ko itong regalo kasi masipag ka. Secret. Tingnan mo na lang mamaya. Happy birthday ulit.
I believe Rosel Alberto is not around. Joshua Burinaga. With the fashionista walk.
Late, kayo po number. Happy birthday, Du. Ang regalo ko sa'yo, ano to? Di dahil ito sa sinabi nila na ito gusto mo kasi wait na, symbolize to na
yung mga memories na pinagsamahan natin mga magkakaibigan, madadala mo hanggang sa kinabukasan. So, isa tong bag, tsaka ibang mga container. Happy birthday ulit!
Thank you so much, Joshua. Next, may we invite Bina Deol. Wala si Juspina, pero ipapadala niya bukas yung gift daw, sabi niya. Jerson Karaig. Let's call on Jerson Karaig. Wala pa rin si Jerson. How about Sunny May Mojica? Ayan, another lovely lady. Palakpakan natin si Sunny.
Happy birthday. Etong gift na to, pinili ko sa'yo para bilang representative ko pag, pag mag-isa ka, wala ko. So, yun. I pick your favorite color, of course. And sana you always stay the same. I love you as my friend, of course. Thank you for being my friend. And this is for you.
Thank you so much, Miss Chemist. Now let's call on Samuel Samalea. Ang tawagan nila, kaibigan. Kaibigan, usap tayo.
Ayun, kaibigan, happy 18th birthday. Ayun, itong regalong ito magagamit ko sa araw-araw. At alam kong titid ka, masipag, matyaga. Ayun, happy 18th birthday ulit.
Picture naman dyan. Next, to bring her gift is one of the prettiest friends of our debutant, God's servant, the lady in red, Cristel Lanzuela.
Happy birthday to, itong gift ko kay Binat at saka sa akin. So, yung gift ko is a book. Kasi, alam ko naman na mahilig ka din magbasa ng libro. Tsaka yung book na to is all about gospel din to. Kaya alam ko na may enjoy mo yung pagbabasa nito. So, happy birthday. Alam ko na lahat ng achievements mo is mapufulfill mo pa yun. Salamat din sa pagiging good friend. And yan lang. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you so much, Cristel. Now let's call on Jean Maica de Castro with a standing ovation from her group. Sweet and cheerful. Yan, si Miss Jean.
Happy birthday. Itong gift ko sa'yo is para every time na gagamitin mo siya and maamoy mo siya. Like, memories natin together yung maalala. Then, thank you for being such a nice friend. Though, iniwan mo kami sa MP1 to. Summer, hindi, okay lang. Because, you did naman your best para makabawi. Then, ayun, I'm wishing you health, love, happiness, and everything your heart desires. Love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Jane. Now we call on Cassandra Jane de Sagun. Minsan masayahin, madalas iyakin. Ako din ako.
Hi, Ate Dug. Happy birthday. Thank you kasi pag tinatamad yung tropa, ikaw yung nagpupush kami para gumawa na gawin yung dapat gawin. Tapos, thank you kasi sa tawa mong ambulansya, napatawa mo talaga, napasaya mo din kami. Tapos yun, andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo, kahit iwan ka din ang lahat. Love you!
Thank you so much. Siya ang resume ng college life. Totoo ba yun? Sumasayaw din siya ng cha-cha. Next, may we call on Paula Jean Suyama. She is the cutest friend of our debutant. Simple yet pretty. That's Paula.
So, Ate Drew, yung gift ko sa'yo, dalawa kasi yung una, yung hinihingi mo sa akin since first sem. Tapos yung pangalawa is yung pinapag-atuan niyo ni Amiel. Pakilagay na lang agad sa freezer kasi baka mapahalos. Ate Drew, Ate Drew, thank you for being there for me. Nakakamiss yung yakap mo and yung tawa mo. Sana keep in touch lagi and always be positive. Have faith and God bless. I love you.
Thank you, Paula. And finally, let's call in Miss Melissa Santa Cruz. Kume College, she is the resume of the high school life of our every time.
Nung tinawag po yung prettiest, nakala ko talaga ako. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun, sorry. Ayun. Ayun, happy birthday, Elisha. Ayun, maraming salamat sa years of friendship. Sana, sure naman ako na madadagdagan pa. And, welcome to womanhood, kahit technically sa 17th yung birthday mo. Pero ayun, 18 ka na, kahit responsible ka na, mas maging open ka sa responsibilities na dadating pa. And, continue, parang ipagpatuloy mo lang yung passion mo sa pag-aaral. Kasi believe kaming lahat sa'yo kasi sobrang sipag mo mag-aral talaga. And ayun, keep on serving God. Tsaka continue in being a good daughter and kapatid sa mga kapatid mo. And being a good friend. Tapos, ayun, share ko lang na magkasama din, kasi classmates kami and magka-team din kami sa journalism. Siya talaga yung mga live-in training and yung mga competition na hindi pwedeng aalis ng walang dalang pagkain. Kasi, as in, literally, oras-oras talaga kailangan may kinakain. Kahit bago matulog, pagkagising, middle of the night. Basta hanggat gising siya, kumakain siya, ganun. Pero hindi talaga halata sa kanya, sa akin lang. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit, guys. Pero yun lang. Yung gift ko, obvious, pampaganda. Kasi, ganda mo eh. Ganda ko din. Ewan ko. Ayun. Para sa'yo talaga to. Yan.
Thank you so much, Riza. Estes, thank you so much, Melissa. As we call on all the presenters of the treasures, samahan niyo po ang ating debutant in front, Rodwaldo, Jonah, Daniela, Julius, Joshua, Sunny, Samuel, Cristel, Jean, Cassandra, Paula, and Melissa. For the other presenters who did not make it this evening, alam natin na on Monday, pagbalik sa klase, they will bring their gifts. And of course, alam nyo ba na maliban sa mga inabot nyo na regalo na yan, kayo talaga ang tunay na treasure ng ating debutant. Kaya palakpakan natin ang ating mga treasures. Post naman yan. Ba't parang seryoso? Kailangan may waki shot yan, sir. Waki shot, ready? 1, 2, 3! Thank you so much! Okay, ladies and may nagbigay ng blue bills, may nagbigay ng treasures, may naglight ng candles, at nagbigay ng mensahe ang kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. But this evening will not be complete without us hearing the message of love and thanksgiving from one of the nicest ladies you'll ever find. Kami po ay namit namin si Elijah as a talent, as a model, as a pageantista, and we in Dasmariñas know her to be one of the nicest ladies you'll ever find. Do you agree with me? Yes! Kaya naman ngayon, at this point, let us lend all our attention and our ears to the message of love and thanksgiving from one of the loveliest ladies in town. Ladies and gentlemen, our debutant, Miss Elijah Du.
Hi. Thank you so much sa lahat ng umaten, sa high school friends ko, sa sa college friends ko, sa churchmates, yun sa family ko. Ayun, salamat kay Kuya Jay, kay Mami Chai sa pagtulong sa akin sa pag-organize, sa pag-makeup. And yun, salamat sa mga umatin. Alam ko kahit malayo pinanggalingan nyo, kahit busy kayo, yun, you give time to me. And yun of course, yung family ko, yan sila ate, yung relatives ko, yun si Mami at Daddy sa pagtulong sa akin sa pag-organize ng event. And yun, ayan. Alam, yun, yun yung mga kapatid ko, alam, ayan, may video naman, so alam ko mapapanood nila yun. Kuya J.J. at Dovi, lalo na kay Kuya Jorwin na yung talagang gumawa ng paraan para maging possible itong event na to. Ayun, maraming salamat. Ayokong mag-promise kasi alam kong ano yun promise, masisira lang din yun. Pero sisiguraduhin ko na hindi kayo mabibigaw sa akin sa mga binibigay ko sa akin. And yung promise na hindi promise. Hindi ko sisirain yung tiwala nyo and gagawin ko yung lahat para matupad yung pangarap nyo sa akin na maging doktora ako. And by that time, susuklian ko lahat nung sacrifice nyo sa akin, yung pagpapaaral nyo sa akin, and lalo na yung kay Daddy na nag-work abroad for 15 years, yun, hindi namin siya nakasama nun. And kay Mami na for 18 years na inalagaan kami, kahit medyo, syempre, minsan sakit sa ulo, alam ko naman yun. And then, ayun, and syempre kay God, na kung wala siya, wala naman lahat ng to, wala kayo, hindi ko kayo makikilala, hindi ko matatanggap lahat ng blessings, hindi ako aabot sa ganito, hindi ko ma-achieve lahat ng na-achieve ko. And, ayun, wala ako dito kung wala si Lord. So, kung hindi ko siya nakilala, baka hindi ako ganito. So, yun, maraming salamat sa mga nagpalaki sa akin, sa mga nag-influence sa akin, na magaganda. At alam ko naman na nandito kayo dahil good influence kayong lahat sa akin. And yun, maraming salamat Kuya Kuya Toto, sorry po. Sorry po, yun, salamat po Kuya Toto sa yun. And yung mga lahat ng staffs na yun, salamat. And yun lang, I hope na hanggang sa huli makasama ko yung kayong lahat na although karamihan sa inyo, syempre nagkakalayo-layo tayo, pero hanggang kaya ko naman, sinusubukan ko na makasama pa rin kayo kahit paminsan-minsan lang. And alam ko naman naramdam niyo yung presence ko. Ayun lang, hanggang kaya ko bumabawi naman ako. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat. God bless.
Okay, some reminders. Ladies and gentlemen, our photo booth is still open. Pwede pa po kayo mag-pictorial dyan. This red carpet ay kailangan gamitin natin for dancing. Pero bago wala, pasalamatan muna natin. Nabusog pa kayo? Pasalamatan natin ang Lacernas Catering. Thank you so much. Audiotronics, Lights and Sounds, maraming salamat. Of course, Metro Gate, maraming salamat. Sir Roy and Company. And of course, yung mga photo nyo, dapat nakingiti kayo. Maraming salamat, Mark Ivan Antang Photography. Palakpakan po natin. And to cap off, ayan si Sir ha. Sa kanya kayo humingi ng kopya. Of course, to cap off the night, aayayahan natin ang ating debutant dito sa gitna. Lahat ng classmate from high school and college, kailangan isayaw natin ng bonggang-bongga ang debutant. We will now dim the lights. Ladies and gentlemen, it's party time! Let's go! Dance with the best! King Go! Jason! Lazar! Genesis! Are you ready? Selfie, groupie, photo booth with our representative. This has been your host, DJ Toto Galito, saying good night, God bless, take care. Once again, happy 8th birthday, Elijah. Party naman dyan!
When you make me mean so much, so much. I can't into love, into money. Only tonight, let me take my past inside your light. You see the world you're going to life tonight. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Take me out on the edge of paradise. Every inch and stitch is the only way I find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I'll let you say please, 'cause I wanna make it straight. Has to be around, I can't take it anymore.
Hindi na umayos. One more. Party time.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I saw you. Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in a
sky full of stars. I think I see